Hey, what is up guys? Today we are going to trip of Azerbaijan. For a country so small, there are a lot of surprising and interesting facts about Azerbaijan. 1. It loves pancakes. Kutubi, filled pancakes, are practically Azerbaijan's national dish. They're stuffed with pumpkin, veggies, meat or just a sprinkling of herbs, then flipped and toasted on a griddle. Leave your Nutella at home, Azerbaijan's pancakes are strictly savory. 2. It was home to ancient man. In the lowest reaches of Azok cave in western Azerbaijan, archaeologists have found tools and remains dating back 1.5 million years. 3. Its borders are complicated. In western Azerbaijan, you can cross the border into Nagorno-Karabakh, a self-declared autonomous region. However, Nagorno-Karabakh is internationally recognized as part of Azerbaijan. It's famed for its epic mountain ranges and the mulberry groves and vineyards that flourish in its valleys. 4. Azerbaijani steak tea with jam. No social occasion is complete without tea, served with myriad trimmings. It's often sweetened with jam, and flavored with thyme, lemon, mint or rosewater. 5. No sugar, no wedding. When families are matchmaking, the tea tray gives a good indication of how arrangements are progressing. If it's served without sugar, more negotiating needs to be done. If it's sweet, a wedding is definitely on the cards. 6. Its horses are heroes. The Karabakh horse is the national animal of Azerbaijan. They are endemic to the country, and one of the oldest breeds in the world. 7. It has a city built on stilts. The settlement of Neft Daslari started life as an oil rig and a couple of elevated walkways in the Caspian Sea. Today, it's an entire stilted city. It was built in 1949, and communities have cropped up around bakeries, shops, cultural areas, hostels and hotels. 8. It's strong. If you find yourself in Baku, Azerbaijan's capital, you might want to limber up for an arm wrestling match. The city is home to the Arm Wrestling Federation, who host the country's professional league. We want this is serious business in Baku's gyms and bars. 9. Eggy smell. Blame the volcanoes. Azerbaijan has more mud volcanoes than any other country on earth, more than 400. When its volcanoes erupt, the flames shoot up to a kilometer in the air, and when dormant they bubble and pop with noxious gases. 10. They love a good carpet. Azerbaijan's Carpet Museum opened in 2014, on Baku's seafront, in a building that's shaped like a giant rolled-up rug. Inside, you can browse carpets of all ages, from all over the country, a spectacle only trumped by carpet weaving demonstrations. 11. A little Russian goes a long way. Azerbaijanis speak Azeri, but Russian is widely spoken. English isn't widely spoken, so bring a phrasebook. 12. Bread is sacred. When bread goes stale, Azerbaijani cooks don't just chuck it in the bin, they hang it up in bags, separate from the rest of the rubbish, to signify their respect. If you drop bread on the floor, it's custom to kiss it, as an apology. If you learned something today, write on comments. And stay on curious side of your life.